The City of Calgary's real estate numbers are in for February, and like we thought, there's some massive changes happening in the Calgary real estate market. You're going to want to stick around because there are some things that I'm seeing that you're probably not going to see in regular market updates. If you've been with me for the last 2-3 years, we've been consistently talking on the supply-demand side about how much more demand we have than supply in the Calgary market, and that is starting to change. We're seeing inventory coming up across many different levels, and it's going to be reported as inventory coming up, but it's not equal everywhere that you're looking, especially if you break down by the category of home and the area of the city. Apartments, for instance, came with 90% increase in inventory versus last year's February when inventory was really tight, and about the same amount of sales. So we're going to start seeing reluctance in that segment of buyers to go over what they're asking. You're going to see people discounting for quicker sales. But if you look at detached houses, especially in that under 800,000 range, it's still very seller market conditions in certain areas of the city. South Calgary, for instance, very seller's market. West Calgary. But if you look at, say, north of Center Street on the north end of Calgary or northeast Calgary, it's actually approaching a little bit more balance. It's never been more important based on these numbers to have a very specific plan for what you're doing, buying, selling, investing across each of these different segments, because it's so different. It's not just as simple as 2 years ago when everything's going up. Now you need to have a very tailored approach to your housing portfolio, timing of when you buy, sell, and whether it makes sense to hold on to your investments, continue renting, or look at different avenues. To understand better what the changing real estate market in Calgary means for your situation, let's have a conversation. Reach me in my DMs.